What's up and good morning, guys? Welcome back to another video. Chris, what's up, buddy?
How's it going?
How you feeling?
Feeling great.
What did you have to do to earn these?
Can't tell you.
So why are you wearing your lucky necklace today, Chris?
We're going car shopping.
We're going car shopping?
SUV shopping.
Oh, we're going SUV? What are you thinking?
I'm thinking Tahoe.
You thinking of Tahoe?
Thinking Tahoe.
So, as you guys can probably tell, we're over here at a Chevy dealership. And well, we're hoping to add a new car to the family today. And no, this isn't for me. No, this isn't for Chris. This is actually for my mom. My mom's been wanting a bigger vehicle, and I think we convinced her a Tahoe is definitely the way to go. And then I think we're kind of rubbing off a little bit with our style here in terms of like, you should probably go with like a nice Summit White Tahoe, you know? So we're at the dealership here. We're trying to find a Summit White Tahoe that we saw on the website was here. And I mean, we see like 6 Tahoes here and we don't see them. But hey, what do you think, Chris? Maybe we get a nice Colorado, huh?
Nah, I'm alright.
You don't want a Colorado?
Nah.
No?
Too small.
Too small. I gotta say, I think it would be cool to build like a mini replica version of my truck in a diesel Colorado until you see the price of a diesel Colorado, and then I'm like, yeah, no, I'm good. I mean, for that price, you might as well start with a full-size diesel truck and then go from there.
Dude, Chris, this is you right here, buddy.
Damn.
This is you right here. Look at the baby blue, the little powder blue.
Yeah.
Right? Dang, dude.
Hey, take it easy. Take it easy.
What, don't
get
scratch
too
it?
close. Don't get too close.
Woo! Woo!
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. This is your style right here, Chris. Dang, say what up to all the girls out there. Oh yeah.
How you doing?
Hold on. Gang, even though it's automatic. Dude, builds into a drift car? What? It's automatic, bro. You gotta go. You ain't gonna believe this.
What's up?
How much you think this bad boy is? All electric.
All electric?
Yup. I just looked at the window sticker.
What is it? 2019?
This is certified pre-owned.
Oh, okay.
2016.
I'm guessing this thing's like $6,000.
I'd probably buy it for $6,000 just to like kill it, but no, 12 grand, dog.
12 grand.
12 grand. It's got 20,000 miles on it. 2 cup holders.
And once again, you know, we're literally like the only 2 people on the lot right now, and nobody's approached us. Chris,
Is that who I think it is?
Dave?
Dave? Hold on, we got Dave. No, what? Hold on, these have all their paint.
Is Chris still back there? Is Chris still locked up in there?
Oh, you're right there, Chris.
Does anybody out there know if they still put Dmaxes in the Chevy vans? Or what? What do we find?
You certified, pre-owned, 2015.
Nah. So 2015, as you guys probably know, was a real weird year for Chevy and GM, and I got screwed on buying a 2015. And 2015 and a half is when like everything started to get better. So we're definitely not looking for a 2015.
This is the brown that I like. Weirdly enough, if you start color matching stuff with that brown, or goldish brown, I don't even know what you call it, but I actually do really like this color. I've seen a few trucks that are like done up to the 9s that are come from the factory that color. We made our way to the service lounge.
Still haven't found the Tahoe.
Dude, Dave's so excited right now.
All right.
Dude, we should have brought Dave with us.
Sure.
Dave, we get some coffee here, buddy.
We got like a 3-piece van selection for you. We're still looking for a Tahoe. Oh.
No, that's Suburban out there.
I don't know. We might have got baited and switched. We called ahead. They said that, you know, we saw it online. They said it was here. And then, yeah, we don't see it. What about the Colorado behind us, Chris?
What do we got here?
ZR2.
Rock sliders. What do they want for this?
$44,000.
$44,000.
This is for a Tacoma, essentially.
It's crazy.
So out the door, tax license, title, whatever. Assuming you pay anywhere near MSRP, you're paying over 50 grand for these things. Like I don't get it.
Can't even put a sheet of drywall or some plywood in here.
No, but you can fit like groceries.
Sure.
It'd be a nice grocery getter. And I'll never understand the big old freaking remote control car antenna they put on these things.
So the salesman just went to go look up the stock number, hoping we didn't get bait and switched. Chris, let me touch your lucky necklace here and make sure they got it. Meet us out here? Oh, okay. Perfect. Dave? They stuffed it way in the back, huh?
We're all 400 cars here.
Here you go, Chris. Look at that Denali over there. It's got pinstriping on it.
Is that Josh? Is that Josh?
It's a little newer than Josh's.
Oh, yes, this one.
Is the one?
Yes.
Sweet. 271.
And pretty nice because that's one package.
Comes with the what?
Comes with the 6 one package.
Gotcha. Third row. Power lift gate, Summit white.
Comes with some sweet, what are those, 18s?
So what I like about these, if you're gonna go with a third row seating option, is the dual captain chairs that these things have. It's pretty sweet. You actually sit up really high in the back of these Tahoes too. I've never sat in the back seat of one of these things, but they're pretty cool. I've definitely been a Tahoe fan for a while. Hop in, Chris. Go for a test drive. Here you go, buddy.
Right that they like.
Right? Radio.
Yes.
See, she's got some power. Oh, she goes 90. That's true. Yeah, what happens if you get pulled over on a test drive?
It ain't my fault. It ain't my car.
Heater seat cooler, no.
Does the back heat it or no?
No. We have the control of the AC here.
Gotcha.
Passengers.
See, most importantly, right there, well, final assembly, Arlington, Texas. American made. Out of 40%, 46% Mexican parts.
Yeah, 46%. Right, that's.
And we get 46% of the parts are from Mexico, 41% of the parts are from US and Canada. So that leaves, was that 87,
92.
I mean, what?
92. 40. What did you say? 46 and 46?
46 and 41.
46.
That's 87. How are you getting
46
91?
and 80. What? What did it say?
46 and
46?
41.
Oh, I think you said 46 and 46. God damn.
I just told you 46 to 41.
87.
87. So that means, was that 13% China?
We don't need these. There's 1,000 off.
Yeah, they can keep the running boards. We'll put some amp steps on it. I don't know, I gotta say, you know, I would love to get a Tahoe for myself as well. Think we work with you all too?
Easy, buddy.
We did just buy a Mercedes Benz. We did just buy a Mercedes Benz.
You know how much we paid for that bad
Yeah,
boy?
we don't got money to buy a Tahoe for ourselves yet. But I gotta say, I really do like the Tahoes, and I can see this thing. You know, assuming we can get us a deal that makes sense here, I can see this adding to the family. You know,
Already has color matched door handles. Maybe I'll just take these off and put them on my truck and put the chipped ones on here.
I don't understand the no fuel cap. I'll never understand that. Like, that's just asking for dirt to get in there. Dirt's gonna like settle right there. Second you push it in, dirt's going in your fuel system.
I don't think it has that, Chris.
What?
What? I don't know. Try your other leg. Maybe your right foot. Right foot. No. I think he took the keys. I don't think he trusts us. Oh. We're in.
Look at that. Dude, we've got tie-down hooks back here.
Some weather techs?
Yeah, kinda.
Oh.
Let's host our meetings in here. Oh, Christopher, do you know why I brought you here? Back, we got the AC controls for the back area that they should have put on our trucks. We got our 120 plug, cigarette lighter. I like the captain chairs though. Oh, what are you gonna make that? Oh, jeez, guy. It's not meant for us. I don't know how any full size. You comfy back there?
This ain't bad.
Oh, you comfortable now? All right, I'm coming back, buddy. Let's do this. Oh, dude, this is. How'd you get back here? This opening's narrow.
Oh, scoot over, bro.
What?
Jesus.
Oh, dude, who would want to sit back here? No armrest? Really? This is a 3-person seat or a 2-person seat?
Dude, how do you, like...
You hugging the seat in front of you?
I'm getting claustrophobic, dude. I gotta get out of here.
I don't know how people do this. All right. No, I'm going first. I'll go first. So, we're trying to buy this. We're not
Rock, paper, scissors.
All right. Rock, paper, scissors. Damn it. All right, good luck. Oh, kidney.
I can't do this.
All right, Chris, you ready to make a deal?
Yep.
Is this where the deals go down?
This is where they go down.
All right, well, let's talk to the sales guy. Let's see if we can buy that Tahoe today.
This car buying stuff's boring, Chris. You taking it now? Look up, buddy. Oh, all right, good night.
Dog, I'll give you $100.
Boy.
If the next person comes in and you pretend that you're the salesman.
I'll probably take that because nobody's walking up. This place is a ghost town. So basically we're waiting. They're running some numbers, trying to figure out if we can come up with a price. It's the fun part of buying cars. Excuse me, sir. Can I interest you? Hey. Sir, we can get you off that bicycle today.
He doesn't make you.
Where's my $100? I just tried to sell that guy on the bike.
You understand English.
¿Quieres comprar un carro nuevo? No más necesitas de bicicleta.
All right, Chris, your treat. What are you buying me, buddy?
Veggie chips.
Ew. Can you give me some real food? I mean, none of this is real food, but can you give me something that tastes better than veggie chips?
What do you mean none of this is real sweet, dude? You got a lot of good stuff here.
Can you give me some cookies? Some famous names?
No? What makes you think I have cash? What are you gonna give me?
What do I gotta give you something? I just had a freaking...
Dog, I bought you a car yesterday.
No, you use my money on a car.
Same thing. Your money, my money.
Okay, then buy your own freaking too. All right, use
I don't have
use
cash.
our money.
I don't have cash.
How do you not have cash?
I don't have cash.
Since when? Let's pull out your wallet right now. Show me you don't have cash. Pull out your wallet right now. Show me you don't have cash. That's not your wallet. That's your phone. Pull out your wallet and show me you don't have cash.
This is my wallet.
All right, if you can prove you don't have cash, I'll buy you your veggie chips that you want. Your nasty veggie chips. That's what I thought. What's up?
I want to go work on some shit.
Well, yeah, I mean, you know, I used to work at this shop. My buddy Eddie runs it, and he didn't pay me, so I just stopped showing up to work over there. So maybe we go, I don't know.
All right, I'll work in Bay 49, you work in Bay 50, and I think together we'll knock out. I mean, these cleans are clearly sitting here; they need to get worked on.
Hey, maybe we can like offset the cost of the Tahoe by working here. Oh, you changed your mind on the electric one?
Yeah, this one's a lot cooler.
I don't like that. It's funky. Oh, you got a sunroof though? Yeah, you don't got a whole lot of headroom there.
I could drop this.
All right, drop her down. That's all you got?
That's all I got.
Dude, you have like maybe 2 inches, maybe above your head. I don't think these are built for you.
Oh, that's as far as it goes, too.
Dude,
back.
You're like touching the back seat.
Really?
Yeah, these are not meant
Oh my
for you.
god.
How do you put anybody back there? It's like car seats.
Like
on.
why? Like why would you need it back?
Yeah, I don't get it.
Oh, get back to the seat.
No way. How do you get back there? Dude, it doesn't even go forward. It's like there's no... Where do your feet go? All right, let's put the seat all the way forward. Like there's a child sitting in it.
Okay, yeah, now you gotta stop. You're squishing the person's knee.
Dude, there's no way. Look at... My foot doesn't even fit. Like, we're hitting. Oh, your feet go under the seat. Okay, that's the trick. That's what it is. Oh my god, dude. Dude, there's no headroom. This is not meant for us. Oh my god, dude. Dude, this seat doesn't go down. Who sits back here? What's the point? Oh my, like, can they put like a bubble, like the Pope Mobile, so I can see out? Dude, get me out of here, man. Talk about claustrophobic. Look, your feet have to go under the seats to fit, and like that seat won't lock. Like that's just. I'm just gonna lay down back here. Ugh, can't get my feet out. I'm stuck. Screw this crap. Well, they just pulled it out. Fresh wash for us here. I mean, we gotta, it's not quite Josh's job there, but what's that? Yeah. think we need to get Josh over here to detail this thing ASAP, get it nice and waxed for us. What do you think, Chris?
Seems like a 6-inch or a 4-inch lift.
6 would be cool.
6 would be cool. I mean,
You know, this car is going to be for my mom, so we don't want to go too crazy with it, you know. I mean, this is going to be a true mall crawler. It's going to be going to the grocery store. It's a true grocery getter, so we don't want to go too crazy with it. We want to retain the factory turning radius, so
4-inch BDS coilover kit, some 33s.
33s.
some black wheels, make it look tough, get rid of those stupid running boards.
And the last thing we'll talk about will be the data for the vehicle.
Mm-hmm.
There's the Wi-Fi that we set up. When the trial is over, to keep using internet in the vehicle, you'll need an active data plan, which we have a couple of options to choose from. Since it's going to be hers, just so you know the options, there's 1 gigabyte for $10 a month.
Your OnStar call has ended. Goodbye.
I don't know how you sit through a bunch of those. Oh my God, Chris, that OnStar stuff's brutal, huh? How's it feel, man? How's it feel to have a driver? You like that? You rock and roll lifestyle back there?
I'm used to this lifestyle.
You just chilling? Well, dog, it's true. We own a Mercedes-Benz now. Yeah. All right, guys. Well, here it is. Brand new 2019 Tahoe. Once again, this car is not for us. This car is for my mom. Let me see if we can unlock it. I can let Chris in. Oh, come on in, Chris. This car is for my mom, but I can seriously see us doing some stuff to this real. So we're gonna end up turning this into one of the channel builds. So, you know, I can definitely see a lift kit, wheels and tires coming for this very soon. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. It's been a long freaking day over at the car dealership, as they always end up being somehow. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. That way you do not miss out on any future content, whether it be my BBB build, our sweet new Mercedes build, or the Tahoe build that you see here that should be coming up soon. Don't forget to give this video a like, aka a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out workforitapparel.com, because if there's anything you want in this life, you gotta be willing to work for it. You guys are the best. Catch you in the next video. I'm out.
Roll the outro.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah.